In this guide, we'll show you how to log out of WhatsApp on an Android device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. No matter why you want to log out of WhatsApp, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Make sure to watch until the end because the available options can vary depending on your account type, and you don't want to miss an important detail. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp and go to the Chats tab. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. Inside Settings, tap Account, which is the first option. If you're using WhatsApp as a linked account, you'll see a Logout option. Simply tap Logout, confirm your choice, and your account will be signed out. However, if you don't see a Logout option, don't worry. This is normal for most primary WhatsApp accounts. In that case, the only way to switch accounts is to uninstall WhatsApp from your device. Close the app, locate the WhatsApp icon on your phone, and uninstall it. After that, open the Google Play Store and reinstall WhatsApp. When you launch the app again, you'll be able to set it up from scratch using a different phone number or WhatsApp account. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.